Take a ride in the 2023 Passport. This compact SUV from Honda is a good compromise of size and comfort. The compact design lets you maneuver well through heavy traffic while still having ample space to carry most anything you need. The Passport gives you the comfort of Honda reliability and quality. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.